Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube app not playing videos on iPhone. So if the YouTube app is just not working on your iPhone, it's not playing videos, there's just something wrong with this, then in this video I found a variety of ways in order to fix this. So fix number one is going to be really easy. All you need to do is open your app, and once you've done that, just refresh the app like this a few times. Once you've done that, you can simply close the app like this and then reopen it to see if it's working. Now, if it's still not working, the second thing I would simply recommend doing is checking my Wi-Fi connection. So you want to check to see if you have a proper Wi-Fi connection or that you have cellular mode enabled, which proper connection as well. For YouTube, you do need a pretty strong Wi-Fi connection, so keep that in mind. Now, if it's still not working, what you can do is open the App Store and then go to search and simply type in YouTube. And you want to basically try to see if you maybe need to have an update for YouTube. If you update, it will automatically basically completely refresh your YouTube app. It will hard reset the app as well, meaning that all of your settings will basically be completely refreshed, meaning that basically your YouTube app should be running like normal again. Now, if it's still not working, then what you can also try to do is head over to this website called Down Detector, and you can go into the search bar and simply type in YouTube, just like this. And we're going to see if maybe just the entire YouTube servers are down. Now, I do have to say this basically never happens, but maybe there's a really small chance that this is currently going on. So what you want to simply try to see if there's any crazy spikes in the last 24 hours. If there isn't, then this means that there is no major servers down basically. Now, if that is still not working, what you can also try and do is head over into settings on your iPhone and simply clear any cache of your iPhone app or of your YouTube app. So in order to do that, head over into general, iPhone storage, and basically once you've done that, find the YouTube app, which is going to be right here. Simply click on it, and then in order to clear the cache of your YouTube app, click on offload app and reinstall back using this exact same page, and that will basically clear the cache of your YouTube app. You can then reopen it to see if it's now working. If it's still not working, then what you can also try and do is simply force restart your phone. In order to do this, simply quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, then keep holding the power button till your screen goes dark, but keep holding till you see that Apple logo already appear again. And the second you see that Apple logo, simply let go of the power button. And basically once you're done that, you should be good to go and your entire phone will be basically force restarted, meaning that a lot of apps will get a hard refresh as well. Now, if that still does not fix the issue for you, then the only other thing I have for you is simply trying to reinstall the app. You can do this by holding down the app like this, clicking on remove app, and then heading over to the App Store and reinstalling it again. And basically, there's a 99% chance that when you do that, it will automatically fix that issue. So yeah, I would recommend doing that if there's no other options left. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you right now. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.